Like it has been the case since past couple of years, OnePlus has been launching an upgraded version of the flagship smartphone at the end of each year. These upgraded smartphones, for instance, OnePlus 3T and OnePlus 5T usually are minor upgrades, but still an important one for the firm to show users they are at the top of their game and are committed to bringing the latest tech available in the market to the hands of the consumer. On that note, the firm that introduced OnePlus 6 in June is now said to bring the OnePlus 6T later this year. Although there is no public announcement or an official confirmation by the firm, the company's moderator may have spilled the beans a bit early. According to the website called PionicaWeb, OnePlus's assistant head moderator has seemingly confirmed that OnePlus 6T is there in the pipeline. According to a screenshot posted by the website, the moderator is seen mentioning that, "If you want to wait for 6T, please do so as it will be out in the coming months." We need to wait for the official announcement. However, still can't resist go for the 6. Since there is no official information about the handset and the credibility of the image is still in the air, we should take it with a bucket full of salt. The website itself says that the person talking about OnePlus 6T is the forum moderator and not a staff member. If in case the smartphone does exist somewhere inside OnePlus Labs, we expect it to sport the latest processor and probably a no-notch display like the Vivo New or Oppo Find X. It could also have a pop-up camera mechanism on board. Who knows? Nonetheless, if in case the device launches, it is likely to be around November and December based on the history of T variant launches.